Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, in this video, I want to talk about the crypto sell off, of course, and provide multiple perspectives. In my two previous videos this morning, talked about kind of what we're seeing across the board in traditional markets and in crypto markets. And in this video, I want to present to you an article that has multiple perspectives in it, kind of speaking to why we are here right now. And there are a lot of reasons. It's not just one reason. We're seeing sell-offs all across the board, whether you're in crypto, in the S&P 500, it doesn't matter. It is a bloodbath out there in the markets, but reverse psychology, this is the time to buy. And that doesn't mean you have to do so. You got to do whatever's best for you. But this is what people do when they see blood in the streets. They go back to the well, to the assets they believe in the most, and they buy the dip. That's exactly what they do because they believe that the markets will, in time, reverse. They always have. And so let's jump into this article. I'm going to show you the crypto market here first and just kind of show you this sea of red. And I know that doesn't surprise you because we've talked about it. I know you heard about it already, but Bitcoin slowly is coming back up a little bit here. So is Ethereum. Ethereum was down here a little bit below this number. Let's take a look, actually. Let's go inside ETH real quick and just take a look. Yeah, we got down to 2,700 and some change, slowly coming back. Perhaps we've bottomed out here and slowly reversing. We could see something very similar here with Bitcoin. So let me go back out here and show you that as well. The traditional market's slowly coming back, but very similar chart pattern here to Ethereum, right? Bottomed out, 37,000, and it's back up to 38.7 right now, climbing toward 39,000. So again, when in doubt, you got to zoom out, right? If you look at the yearly charts, everybody's still up on all the blue chip assets and a lot of the more smaller cap assets too, right? Even like the Saitamas, the Shiba Inus of the world, zombie Inus, you name it. When you zoom out, it's been a good year. But when you zoom in, it can freak you out a little bit. And the market's not great right now. But let's get into the reasons why. All right. So here we go. For the second time this month, Bitcoin has dipped below 40,000, hitting 38.6 here midway through the Asia trading session. Crypto markets have been hitting or sitting on a critical support level for some time. Macro market weakness is causing a sell off in risk assets, right? Risk assets are crypto. Now, further continuation of this sentiment will likely see BTC, Bitcoin, trade in the mid 30s. This coming from Stack Funds. They said in a comment to CoinDesk. Now, in its daily research note, Delphi Digital wrote that investors are pricing in numerous interest rate hikes, which we've heard from the Fed, which is significantly impacting risk assets again. All right, again, that's crypto. In a note to CoinDesk, Huobi's director of research, Lee Huey, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, told CoinDesk market sentiment is pessimistic. We could see that from the crypto fear and greed index. We've been looking at that for weeks and months. It has been that way, and investors are in wait and see mode. The decline was very fluid, and there was no significant rebound after the support price was broken. Now, here's Tony Ling, a partner at China-based Byzantine Capital, wrote in a note to CoinDesk that investors in China in particular appear to be continuing to cash out given the economic slowdown in their country because of the latest waves of COVID-19. Yes, that is still having an impact on the broader markets, on crypto and in the S&P 500. Your major indices all across the board are taking hits. It's not just crypto. And the upcoming Spring Festival holiday is also right around the corner. People selling off for that as well in China. Ling also pointed to tightening supervision of the few over-the-counter desks that exist in the country as another reason local retail investors want out of the market. Then, of course, we've got Russia banning crypto. So it's just a lot of negative news stacked on top of negative news. And I'm here to kind of be the voice of reason here on days like this and just tell you what I'm doing, give you my perspective. Hopefully it helps you out. If it does, let me know down below in the comments. Love hearing from you. My perspective is this before I close out the video. I believe in cryptocurrency long term. And if you do too, these are buying opportunities. On days like this, I like to go to the less risky assets in the crypto industry. For me, that's Bitcoin, that's Ethereum, that's Cardano, that's Solana, that's Matic, that's Crowcoin. And I can name a few others, right? But you catch my drift. Go back to the ones you believe in most, or you can always hold and be patient. Those investors, in my opinion, will also be rewarded. But go back, and this is individualized to you, go back to the ones that you have the highest conviction in. Maybe for you, it's Polkadot and HBAR and Harmony One and whatever it is, right? These are opportunities, in my opinion. In the long term, Bitcoin will go up, Ethereum will go up, Cardano will go up. In the short term, nobody can predict the market. Nobody can. If anybody's telling you out there that they can predict what the market's going to be like in 4 hours or tomorrow, they can make an educated guess, but they can't predict it. It's too hard. It's very hard to make those type of predictions. And, it's hard to make longer term predictions precisely, but saying, that overall sentiment that you believe Bitcoin's price is going to be higher today than higher 10 years from now than it is today, you can make those predictions a lot easier. So that's what I've got for you here in the video. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll see you all in the next one.